Hello, everyone. This is Chris Leone, Senior Vice President of our Human Capital Management applications here at Oracle. Wanted to talk to you about a really exciting new way for you to get your hands on our application and really feel what it's like to use our application in a day-to-day context. We've developed a whole new concept called the Mobile Challenge. And the Mobile Challenge is really designed to have you walk through any number of the hundreds of HR transactions we've made available so you can feel what it's like to complete an employee self-service transaction or a manager transaction or interact with our digital assistant directly on your mobile device. And we call it the Mobile Challenge because we have challenged all the other HCM vendors in the industry to do the same for you to see which experience is better and easier in a real world context. And we've done this for the last 2 years, and we've had over 1,800 different prospects and customers complete the Mobile Challenge. And there's a survey that hopefully you fill out after that asks you questions about how easy it was, how simple the transactions were, what was your feedback on the challenge itself and the application. And we've received a 97% positive rating from all those 1,800 different companies that have participated in the Mobile Challenge. We've also had analysts participate. So we had analysts like Jason Averbrook from LeapGen, Holger Mueller from Constellation Research. And they have a few quotes on our website that you can take a look at where they were shocked that a vendor was so proud of their user experience that they put it in analysts' hands and let them interact with the system. And you can see what they said about it directly from their own pen or email, but they were extremely positive in not only the interaction, but how simple the application was. So we've issued this challenge. We want you to try the Mobile Challenge, take the Mobile Challenge, and give us that feedback around how easy it was or how easy it is for you to complete the transactions. And again, we challenge all other HCM vendors to do the same and see which one comes out on top. Good luck and thank you.